Hello, this is Brother Joseph. This is part of that series on the habit I wear. This is John. This is the waist. It goes around the waist. I call it John after the Gospel of John. Each of the four pieces are named after the Gospels. The top and arms are Matthew. The back is Luke. The front is Mark. And the waist, one for the waist, is John. And I've got a cat here that wants to get involved. Okay, so this one is very simple. It's got 7 buttons, and they're all along one side, and 7 corresponding slits, all according to the row. Here's the button, and 2 slits here, 2 slits here, 2 slits here, and a slit there. And there's a reason why for the extra slits there, but the second button would have be here, and there's 2 slits here and only 2 slits, or 1 slit here, I mean. There's a reason for this. It folds into, get off of there, get off. And it folds in part. They want to climb on it, and there they go. Okay, they wanted to play, they don't want to play now. I'll show you the reason for those, but it folds down. You bend it twice, and collapsing it, and then it folds. And then it attaches to already set up buttons. Those buttons are on the back on Luke, the piece I call Luke. And it wraps around your waist, so the button secures it. And the extra slits right here at this button, and right here, the 2 here and the 2 here, you'll see how it comes together. I'll fold everything together and show you, but that's a simple one, a very simple one. Let me show you where it is on the thing here. There's John. Let me get light so you can see. There's John, and there are the slits in the buttons down here, the slits here. Okay, so the beginning, the end, the 4 pieces when they're divided, and that's how they come together. That goes over the top and the head and the arms, the front, the back, the waist. That's folded in. The top folds in like this, goes on top. The front and the back fold in like this. And the waist, for the top and the back, they fold like that. Let me go through this real quick. I've already gone through this. Okay. And this, I actually changed the way I fold it in. But the idea still applies, that it folds in and the buttons work together to go around the waist. But that's it. And now from here, it's just a matter of putting it all together and showing you how that happens. Thanks.